Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to create a shortcut for Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so let's get started. You need to do a right click on the desktop, click on New, Shortcut. Over here, you need to type Jupyter space Notebook and press Next. Okay, click on Finish. Now this has created a quick launch icon for Jupyter Notebook. Okay, now if I double click it, it is going to start Jupyter Notebook. You don't need to enter any command and it will be launched. Okay, now if we look here, the Jupyter Notebook icon, it is not looking good, so we can change that to, okay, open the web browser, go to the new tab and search, look for Jupyter Notebook icon and press enter. You will get this first website, Jupyter icons. Okay, over here let's select this one. You can close. Okay, now you need to download this ICO file. Okay, select this and download ICO. I'll click here. Okay, so this has downloaded the .ico, that is icon file. Okay, now let's minimize this web browser. It has got downloaded to downloads folder. So now I'll change the icon of this file. Click on properties. Over here you will get option to change icon. Select it, click on browse. Now the file which we have downloaded, it's in downloads. See, this is the icon file. So I'll select this, click on open, click on OK, apply and OK. Now this gives a proper look to the Jupyter Notebook shortcut. If I let me close this, okay, if I double click it, it is going to launch Jupyter Notebook. See how it becomes easy to use. That's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.